In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2014 through 2015 Chevrolet Impala. To open this key fob, all you will need is a small screwdriver. Your first step is to push the button and release the key. Next, take your thumb and just pop the back piece off. You'll find the battery is located here. To get the battery out, you'll want to push down on the battery, use your small screwdriver, and just pop the battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back in, push it down. The battery goes in plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, just snap the key fob back on, close the key, and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.